With outer loop power control, the RNC adapts the target SIR value in the node B. The basis for this is a constant transmission quality with a determined target bit error rate or frame error rate. But why is it necessary to adapt the target SIR? The constant control of a cell's target SIR is very important, since the target SIR is crucial for the network performance in CDMA systems. A decreasing SIR would manifest itself in, for example, a shrinking cell size, or in an impaired network capacity. If the RNC detects that a connection is deteriorating, the target SIR in the node B is increased by a certain amount. The user equipment will gradually increase its transmit power until it's achieved the new value. In the reverse case, the target SIR will be reduced by a certain amount, and the user equipment will reduce its transmit power.